Hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in.
Yes, my lovely class, today I'm encouraging you to cheat. Let's see how. Okay, hello everyone. This is Lori, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, I have been doing a 30-day Law of Attraction crash course for beginners. If you find the Law of Attraction fascinating like I do, give me a thumbs up. Even if you hate the Law of Attraction, how about you just click that thumbs up button anyway? Okay, each video in this crash course will flow beautifully into the next video like a long continuous lesson. Today's day 26. Click here to start on day 1 to start at the beginning. Each video is under 10 minutes long to be mindful of that busy schedule of yours. Allow me to mention that course workbook. It's free and there's a link in the description below to get to that, and you can print it and follow along. Quick recap of all the content that we've covered so far. There's also a link in the description below. Okay, we are nearing the end of this course and I want to bring to your attention the idea of having these practices as part of your daily life in a meaningful way that you can maintain over time. I don't want you to think like this, oh, the course is done, no more Law of Attraction, okay, that was fun, but let's keep going on. No, I want this to be part of your real life. I will keep this one short and simple. That does not mean that the message is any less important. So far, I have been drilling into you, drill sergeant style, the idea that you should be feeling as good as possible, as often as possible. Feeling good has an effect on your vibration. Your vibration is your mode of communication with the universe. Feeling good brings up your vibration, and it helps you to attract all of your desires right to you at lightning speed. Now, perhaps you need a little help in remembering to do these daily practices. That will make the Law of Attraction work in your favor. Well, Miss Lori to the rescue. I want you to have what you desire. I want this. I want it as much, if not more, than I want my own desires. In fact, you getting to your goal, your place of peace, is my desire. I want this so bad. I mean, so good. You know what I mean. You see, when your vibration goes up, you rub off on those around you, and then they rub off on those around them, theoretically healing this outwardly broken world. So let's do this together, guys. I digress, my students. I've created something called a Law of Attraction cheat sheet. See the link to the free printable in the description below. Print this, keep it with you, or somewhere where you're going to see it often. As a teacher, I use the term cheat sheet loosely, as it is simply a resource where I have summarized the methods that we have discussed so far. Most of them, anyways. Any other methods that I did not get to in this crash course are represented in one of my videos on my channel, so go check that out. I recommend a binge watch of The Lori Show. Okay. These are the features of the cheat sheet. Okay, so there are 7 easy methods using the Law of Attraction. 10 easy ways to raise your vibration. The Law of Attraction routine, which I love, and then extra layers for success, and then a few extra resources. That is the contents of that cheat sheet. So check that out. I want to bring your attention to the routine schedule. It tells you what to do during the day and what time. You do not have to follow this exactly, but it gives you a nice little idea. The idea to have some kind of routine. For me, I attach my routine items to things that I do anyway. I say gratitude statements and affirmations while I'm in the shower. I do verbal scripting while driving to work. I meditate as soon as I wake up in the morning, first thing, or right after each meal. So I make it easy and I make it make sense, okay? And so you should make it make sense for you. Your homework today, my lovelies, is to check out this cheat sheet and consider what your daily Law of Attraction schedule could look like. None of this should feel like work or make you feel like you're too busy or unhappy. It should be all good and all calm and all high vibration. Okay, my most beautiful, intelligent students, thank you so much for watching this and for coming to class today. Tomorrow we will be continuing with the next lesson. Don't forget, if you have not already, click that subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss the next lesson. Okay? Have a most glorious, lovely, wonderful day, and be positive. I love you. Mwah. But that does not mean that any soon.